Sit back, grab a notepad, and get ready to take your business to new heights. Visionary thinking comes first on our list. Entrepreneurs possess an uncanny ability to see opportunities where others see obstacles. Tip: develop your long-term vision. Any successful entrepreneur requires an overarching goal that motivates and guides their entrepreneurial journey. Such as Elon Musk with his goal of colonizing Mars and transitioning the global energy infrastructure towards sustainable energy sources. He uses this overarching goal as the driving force for all his decisions, such as electric car innovation with Tesla or space exploration with SpaceX, which in itself proves its strength. Creating such an overarching goal showcases its immense power. Welcome to Boss Tips, your destination for expertly crafted strategies, invaluable insights, and practical tips that will not only elevate your business acumen but also empower you to thrive the dynamic world of business. 2. Resilience. Entrepreneurship can be an arduous journey. Resilience should serve as your go-to safety net. Tip: think of failure as an opportunity. Resilience is one of the key traits for successful entrepreneurs, and Oprah Winfrey stands as testament. She encountered both personal and career setbacks but persevered by viewing failure as opportunities to grow into greater success, reminding us all how resilience helps entrepreneurs weather storms while emerging stronger afterwards. 3. Adaptability. In business, change is inevitable and being adaptable should be one of your greatest assets. Tip: welcome and adapt as necessary. Jeff Bezos of Amazon serves as a model in this regard. Their once online bookstore has expanded into one of the leading global e-commerce platforms. Bezos' ability to adapt quickly by entering new markets such as offering Amazon Web Services or purchasing Whole Foods shows his strength as an adaptable entrepreneur who understands how to capitalize on emerging trends as part of his entrepreneurial strategy. 4. Solving problems and turning obstacles into opportunities. Tip: develop your problem-solving mindset. For instance, take Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook. His approach enabled innovations like Newsfeed and acquisitions like Instagram that enabled their continued success as well as being used creatively by him to address issues quickly and solve them creatively, an ability exemplifying entrepreneurialism at its finest. 5. Effective communication. Effective communication is paramount when sharing your vision with team members, investors and customers alike. Richard Branson, founder of Virgin Group, serves as an example of just how critical effective communication can be to successful entrepreneurship. His charismatic communication style and storytelling have played an instrumental role in building his brand across industries ranging from music to airline. Branson's ability to present his compelling vision through persuasive arguments shows us just how crucial effective communication skills can be for effective entrepreneurship. 6. Financial literacy. An understanding of finances is of vital importance. Being able to create and adhere to budgets, analyze data and make sound financial decisions is paramount. Tip: deepen your knowledge of financial management. Warren Buffett serves as an exemplar in this regard. His deep financial understanding enabled him to use Berkshire Hathaway and turn it into an economic powerhouse owing to wise investing decisions made with Berkshire Hathaway under Buffett's watchful management and guidance. Seeing him master these complexities shows the relevance of such knowledge for entrepreneurs themselves. 7. Time management. Time is your most prized possession, and effective time management is one indicator of an entrepreneurial success. Tip: prioritize tasks and delegate when necessary. Elon Musk, well known for running multiple companies simultaneously, places great importance on time management. He splits each day up into 5-minute increments to maximize productivity and delegate tasks effectively, an effective technique he employs when running various entrepreneurial ventures simultaneously. 8. Networking. Your network represents one of your greatest assets. Cultivating and expanding it will open doors of opportunity. Tip: build and nurture professional relationships. Richard Branson has become one of the greatest networking gurus due to his ability to connect with influential individuals, forging strategic alliances that propelled Virgin Group forward and forging lasting partnerships. This serves as proof that networking's importance in entrepreneurialism. 9. Sales and marketing skills. Skilled sales and marketing practices can play a crucial role in effectively communicating the value of products or services to target audiences. Tip: Recognize and tailor your message accordingly. Consider Steve Jobs for inspiration here. His product launches and marketing campaigns such as Think Different not only increased Apple sales but also established loyal customer bases. Jobs' ability to captivate audiences while conveying unique value of Apple products underscored the significance of sales and marketing expertise among entrepreneurs. 10. Leadership and team building. As an entrepreneur, being more than simply the boss means leading, so motivate and guide your team members towards success for maximum impact. Tip: lead by example and empower your team. A fantastic example is Indra Nooyi, former CEO of PepsiCo, who achieved global dominance through strategic leadership while nurturing an atmosphere of innovation and diversity within PepsiCo. Nooyi excelled at managing an eclectic group under her guidance successfully and highlighted the significance of team-building skills as integral parts of entrepreneurial ventures. Remember, mastery of these abilities takes practice. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to share, like and subscribe so you don't miss any entrepreneur insights and strategies. Also ensure your notification bell is turned on so you know when updates occur.